Have you ever imagined what it would look like when AI agents stop being just tools and actually start becoming coworkers inside real companies? Well, it's happening. And it's happening faster than anyone thought. We're stepping into 2026, a year where AI agents will officially enter live enterprise workflows, not in beta, not in experiments, but in full-scale production. This isn't just another AI trend. This is the foundation of the next industrial revolution, powered by automation, autonomy, and intelligence that learns, reasons, and executes. So today, let's dive deep into how this rollout is unfolding, how companies are preparing, which sectors are adopting first, and what this means for the workforce, startups, and the global economy. Grab your seat, because the AI enterprise era is here. The 2026 rollout was really happening for years. Enterprises have been testing AI in small pockets, customer support chatbots, recommendation engines, or process automation bots. But 2026 marks the shift from narrow AI use cases to fully autonomous multi-agent workflows. Think of it this way. Until now, AI worked like a single assistant that needed constant supervision. But the new generation of AI agents, powered by models like GPT-6, Claude 3.5, Gemini Ultra, and xAI's Grok Core, are different. They don't just follow commands, they collaborate, delegate, and self-optimize. Imagine a company where one AI agent handles incoming client requests, another organizes internal priorities, another drafts proposals, and a fourth runs data checks, verifies compliance, and executes tasks. And all of them talk to each other, seamlessly, without waiting for human input every time. That's not science fiction anymore. That's the 2026 enterprise AI stack. From static automation to agentic collaboration, the difference between traditional automation and agentic AI is massive. Old automation systems were like scripts, if this, then that. They worked for repetitive tasks, but they couldn't adapt. Agentic systems, on the other hand, think, reason, plan, and collaborate. They understand goals, not just instructions. They can read documents, summarize data, make decisions, and even ask for clarification if something's unclear. This means that enterprises will move from task automation to process orchestration. Entire departments, like HR, finance, and operations, will soon have agent clusters managing the flow of work 24/7. And the biggest leap? They'll learn from each execution, getting smarter with every task. How enterprises are preparing right now. Fortune 500 companies and tech-driven startups are all racing to build their AI agent infrastructure. Amazon is developing Agent Core, a cloud-native orchestration system for autonomous workflows. Microsoft has Copilot Pro, already integrated across Windows, Teams, and Azure, acting like an internal company brain. Google's Gemini Work Suite is connecting Docs, Gmail, and Calendar into one living AI ecosystem. Even smaller SaaS players are embedding AI agents into their tools, from CRM systems to project management apps. By 2026, analysts predict that over 60% of large enterprises will deploy AI agents across at least one department, and 30% will run multiple agent networks simultaneously. That's a massive operational shift, one that rivals the cloud migration wave of the 2010s. What these AI agents actually do, so what exactly will these AI agents handle in live enterprise workflows? Let's break it down by function. 1. Operations agents handle scheduling, logistics, procurement, and supply chain optimization. They analyze market conditions, supplier performance, and delivery patterns, predicting risks before they happen. 2. Financial agents manage cash flow forecasts, detect anomalies, and even prepare tax drafts with 99% accuracy. They connect with ERP systems, learn company spending patterns, and ensure compliance in real time. 3. Customer experience agents go beyond chatbots. They monitor customer sentiment, resolve tickets, and personalize communication automatically across email, web, and voice channels. 4. HR agents manage hiring pipelines, employee engagement surveys, and internal performance tracking, freeing up HR teams for strategy instead of spreadsheets. 5. Security agents, perhaps the most critical. They continuously monitor networks for vulnerabilities, run simulations, and collaborate with other AI to strengthen digital defense. In short, every department will soon have its own digital workforce. Always on, always learning, always executing. Human plus AI collaboration, not replacement now. Let's address the big question: what happens to humans in all of this? Contrary to popular fear, AI agents aren't coming to replace humans, they're coming to amplify them. Think of them as digital co-workers who handle the heavy lifting, while humans focus on creativity, decision-making, and innovation. A finance analyst might work with 3 agents, one for data collection, one for forecasting, and one for reporting, freeing hours every week. A marketer might use AI to analyze audience data and generate campaign blueprints in seconds. And a CEO could have an entire digital team giving live updates on every department's KPIs without a single meeting. The key is collaboration, not competition. The future workplace won't be human or AI, it will be human plus AI. The new AI enterprise architecture behind all this agentic magic lies a new kind of architecture. In 2026, enterprises won't rely solely on one foundation model. Instead, they'll all use multi-agent systems built on a hybrid stack, combining general models like GPT-6 with domain-specific fine-tuned models. Each agent will have its own memory, short-term plus long-term, defined roles, finance, support, HR, etc., APIs and plugins for integration, and an orchestration layer that coordinates actions between them. Think of it as a digital company within a company, with each AI having a job description. This agentic structure will run through cloud platforms like Azure AWS and Google Cloud and be monitored through dashboards for compliance and performance. Enterprises will finally achieve what automation promised for decades: a self-operating, intelligent system that scales effortlessly. The compliance and security revolution, of course, with great power comes great responsibility. AI compliance will become one of the biggest challenges in 2026. Enterprises can't just unleash autonomous agents without guardrails. They'll need to ensure data privacy, bias monitoring, and decision transparency. That's why new frameworks like AI Act, ISO 42001, and GDPR AI extensions are being enforced across global enterprises. Companies like Covalent, Palantir, and Cognizant are already building AI control towers, compliance layers that oversee agent activity in real time. These systems will log every decision, provide audit trails, and flag risky actions. In other words, AI agents will be powerful but accountable. And that's exactly how they'll gain enterprise trust. The market explosion ahead. Let's talk numbers, because this rollout isn't just technological, it's financial. The AI agent economy is projected to exceed $400 billion by 2027, growing faster than the SaaS market did in its early days. Analysts expect enterprise adoption to skyrocket across finance, logistics, healthcare, and manufacturing. Why? Because agentic systems don't just reduce costs, they multiply output. They allow companies to operate at scale, 24 hours a day, without burnout, breaks, or bureaucracy. A report by McKinsey suggests that agent-driven automation could unlock $7 trillion in global productivity by 2030. That's not just a stat, that's a seismic shift in how business value is created. The future workforce redefined. So what happens to the workforce when AI agents are everywhere? The best companies will retrain their teams, not replace them. Employees will move from doers to directors. They'll design workflows, monitor agents, and make strategic calls when human judgment is needed. This means a new kind of career is emerging: AI operations managers, agent workflow designers, and prompt engineers for enterprises. People who understand both business and machine logic will be in high demand. Education systems are already catching up. Universities and corporate training programs are adding courses on agentic systems, AI compliance, and workflow design, preparing the next generation for hybrid collaboration. Early winners in the AI agent race. Some companies are already miles ahead in the 2026 rollout. Startups like LangChain, Dust, and Crew AR are building the frameworks that make agent collaboration possible. Enterprise players like IBM, SAP, and ServiceNow are integrating agentic models into their core platforms. And consultancies like Deloitte and Accenture are building AI agent labs to help clients deploy and scale these systems. This ecosystem is rapidly forming developers, data scientists, UX designers, and executives, all aligning around one mission, making AI agents the new enterprise backbone. The road to 2026 and beyond. So where does this all lead? By late 2026, we'll see companies running hybrid teams minus 50% human, 50% AI agents. By 2027, enterprise software will look completely different. Instead of dashboards and forms, users will have conversational interfaces where they simply talk to their company AI. And by 2030, experts predict that agentic systems will power 80% of digital workflows worldwide. The enterprise of the future won't just use AI, it will be AI. Final thoughts. The dawn of the agentic enterprise. The rise of AI agents in live enterprise workflows isn't a trend, it's the logical next step in the evolution of work. We've moved from manual labor to digital labor and now to autonomous labor. In 2026, the companies that embrace AI agents early will dominate their industries because speed, precision, and adaptability are the new currencies of success. The winners will be those who learn to manage both humans and intelligent systems in harmony. So, if you're building, managing, or leading in this new age, start preparing now. Because when 2026 arrives, the AI agent revolution won't wait for anyone. And remember, the future isn't coming someday. It's already here.